What a historic day. So historic that this just can't wait. Trump sat down with North Korean dictator Kim Jong-un to take the first step towards peace. As Churchill famously said, the first step towards peace is a thirsty photo op. Look at that backdrop. Iconic. A wall of American and North Korean flags, side by side, a beautiful blur of red, white, and blue. You can hardly tell them apart. But in this picture, equals, partners, the beginning of a beautiful friendship. Look at them legitimizing each other on the world stage, like Oprah did with books. Trump gets it. Reality is blurry. Kim isn't a monster, he's a talent.
Kim Jong-un has killed family members, has starved his own people. Why are you so comfortable calling him very talented?
Well, he is very talented. Anybody that takes over at 26 years of age and is able to run it and run it tough.
See, one man's crimes against humanity is another man's fiery management style. That's how Trump wants to run our country. Tough. With a whole new set of tough, talented friends. Just think of the potential photo ops. Darth Vader. He took over pretty young too. Sharks. Sure, Trump hates them, but that's just because of their rows of super sharp talent. The asteroid from Armageddon. It threatened Earth, took out Bruce Willis, and set off the chain of events that led to Ben Affleck's majestic back tattoo. That's frightening true talent. So get on board, liberals. This is what peace looks like. A captured, frozen moment with no regard for historical context. The fight continues. Good. You hid down here where the real truth lies. If you want to help me defeat the globalists and stay on the inside, click and subscribe and help me defeat them. Because following me on my YouTube channel makes you a leader. It tracks. Trust me.